What's up? It's Randy here, CampingRandy, RidgelineStore.com. Have you ever wondered what it looks like without your spare tire in your Ridgeline trunk? Check it out. So I've gone to a full-size spare, and I have taken out the tray that the spare comes with and got the old original OG prototype of the gear tray from NOLA Designs, also being sold on the Ridgeline Store. But you can go and strap anything and everything you want on this guy and slide it back down in there. But look how much room you have. It's pretty awesome, so I just wanted to share that with you because a lot of folks don't actually take their spare tire out to see what's back there. But this tray that we sell slides right in there, lines up with the holes so you can put your screws back in. It's also sold with a roll of Velcros so that you can mount your stuff on it. What I'm going to put on mine is my Coleman stove. It's going to get strapped on there, and just some rope, you know, some other stuff. But yeah, I'm going to utilize this for actual storage because I have the Sylvansport camp kitchen, the Dine O Max, and then that actually lays fully inside here, so I can use all the space that's inside these sides here that you see, and then that lays up in here so that you know, I can bring my kitchen with me wherever I go. But yeah, look at all that space you guys got down in there. So if you're running a full-size spare and you want a little bit of extra storage, get this gear tray that we sell at RidgelineStore.com, and you can strap stuff to it and utilize all that area back there. And that tray, as I drop it, comes all the way out, connects here on that ledge. But I'll put some measurements down in the comments or in the description so you guys can know how big that is and how much square footage or inches or whatever you want to talk about that's back there. So I hope this helps you guys utilize your storage capabilities. Just remember, you only have 1,500 pounds of payload that you can load up in the bed, so don't crush this open area. All right, like and subscribe. So even though I have the rooftop tent, you never know, I always like to bring a ground tent with me. So yeah, I got a ground tent right here, Coleman stove, and then I have the poles there. It's a Tepui that I got from Walmart that works out great when I just want to throw up a structure. But yeah, that's it. The other stuff I have in my trunk, that is my weight distribution hitch, my fire bag. It's got all my stuff to start fires with, my GoTreads, so if I get stuck, that's part of my recovery system. And you can also use these for leveling. You turn them on your side, drive the truck up on them when you're out camping. That is my pole to adjust the chains and attach the chains for my weight distribution. Got some cleaning supplies here. This is a pretty cool thing I found. This actually goes into the 7-pin, and it's got a 12-volt plug on it, as well as a, let's see if I can open this up, a 4-prong. So, and then I have a 12-volt air thing here, so I can blow up air mattresses with that. And this is a pretty cool little thing too. This I put out here, and it's a paper towel roll holder. I'll put this down in the description. I think I got it from Amazon, not too sure. And then I just have the jack thrown in there, you know, fix a flat, clean supplies, jumper cables, concentrate. But yeah, that's pretty much it. And then I'll throw the Sylvansport kitchen down in there, and you can see how that fits in there. Also, I recommend a recovery D-ring. So if you need to get pulled out from the back, if you're out, you have that. So there's a Sylvansport Dine O Max kitchen. You might not need the Dine O Max, you get the Dine O Mini. It's not as big as this one, but yeah, you can see that it fits in there. Close the lid there, everything's good. And then usually in this area here, I'll put like a fishing pole, a chair, something like that, if I want to keep it dry and secure. But yeah, what do you have in your truck? Let me know. Post some stuff over to the Honda Ridgeline Off-Road Camping Facebook page. I guess you can see that in the link in the bio on our Instagram page. I'll put a link in it down below as well. But yeah, put in the comments what you keep in your trunk. Enjoy. I hope this helps out some people. Make sure you check out the ridgelinestore.com and check out that gear tray if you're changing over to running a full-size spare. Also, I got this cargo net that we sell from Honda. Man, if you don't have a bed cover, get this, because last 2 times I went camping, had stuff almost blow out of the back of the truck. So now I use this instead of the I guess the bed cover. So, but yeah, that's it. All right, that is a little sneak peek at the gear tray available at the Ridgeline Store, ridgelinestore.com. And yeah, put some comments down there. Let's know what you put in your trunk when you're overlanding or soft-roading. And also check all the stuff down in the description. I'm putting links to that Facebook group that we've started. And then a couple of things that I have on the truck that you can get at Amazon as well at the Ridgeline Store. Remember to subscribe. A lot of people watch our videos, but they don't subscribe. It really helps us out if you actually hit that subscribe button. So make sure you do that. Appreciate y'all watching, and have a great day.